Imagine building a massive warehouse, not in years, not in months, but in just weeks. No endless concrete delays. No heavy on-site fabrication. No chaotic construction process. This is the world of pre-engineered buildings, also known as PEBs, and they are changing modern construction forever. Pre-engineered steel structures are becoming the preferred solution across the world because they are faster, lighter, smarter, and more cost-efficient. A pre-engineered building is engineered, designed, and fabricated in a factory and assembled on-site like a giant Lego. But with pre-engineered buildings, most of the work is already completed before materials even arrive at the site. That means faster installation, less labor, fewer construction errors, and minimal material waste. Re-engineered buildings are everywhere. Warehouses, logistics hubs, manufacturing plants, distribution centers, aircraft hangars, cold storage facilities, sports complexes, commercial showrooms, and more. Pre-engineered buildings are revolutionizing modern construction with faster build times, optimized steel design, and lower project costs compared to concrete structures. If you're curious how much it costs, see email below for free consultation and value engineering quotations.